What's up YouTube, this is JB. In today's video I'm going to put in this Tuffy Security Center Console Insert. If you had a JK, you know you could put that safe under the seat, but now in this JL it doesn't fit like that. So I had to get this center console insert. So I put it together on the table first. So let's take a look at how that looks. Now that you see how it looks put together, I'm going to take it back apart and then I'm going to install it in the Jeep. So let's go. Alright, so I'm finally finished. So I got it in here. Let's go ahead and see how it locks and how tough it is. Alright, so you see it's in there. And I'm pulling on this hard and it's not coming out. So it's in there good. I did have to do some modifying. I wasn't able to get this piece in. One side I was able to, but the other side I wasn't. I think it's due to the USB port that's in here. It was stopping it from going in. So I'll probably end up having to cut this or something just to get it in. But I mean, it's still tough without it even in there. I was able to still run my USB cord, so now I don't have to worry about running it up here and having cords hanging around. So I mean, it did what it's supposed to do. So now it's in here. Now I can start locking stuff in here. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Leave some comments below. Tell me, you know, if you want to get one. If you had a JK, if you had the under the seat safe, I had that in my JK. But hit the subscribe button and watch some of my other videos. But until next time, all right, peace.